The rules are, if you drop it, you're out. If you did not drop, you go to the back. All right, let's begin.
Round 1.
First person. Save. Next person. Ah! Goodbye. Go put your coat on. You're out. Next person. Start over. Pick wisely. Save. Back of the line. Next person. Save. Save. Back of the line. Next person. Save. So far, so good. Back to this guy. Save. Hey, come on.
75 years later.
Come on. You got 10 seconds to make a decision. 10. Count it out for me. 9.
8. 7.
Make a decision.
5.
Alright, it's okay. Until next time. Alright, and then there were 3. Let's see. Say, back of the line. Say. Oh, go. Ten. Make the right decision. Come on.
Many months later.
There are so many pieces that you could
10.
use.
9.
Thank you, guys.
8.
Uh-oh.
7. 6.
It will be out.
5.
Yes. Save. You gotta put them under pressure. He just started. He just started.
4. 3.
Be careful. If it falls, one twin will be out.
10. 9. 8.
Save. All right, next person. Come on. That means Noah. Here. Ow. Put your book bag on. He's out. You're out.
Yes, I'm saying.
It's okay. It's okay.
Which twin?
And then
is
it
gonna
was
win? Al or Adele?
We don't know which is which, but let's see which one's gonna win. Come on. Save. Which one of the twins will win?
Al versus Adele. There's no more space.
Somebody locked it in, but you could still do it. Think about it. You can't do that. Think about it. What pieces can you use?
9.
Yes.
8. 7. 6. 5.
Exactly. No. Oh. Yes.
Another one. Okay, I know.
All right.
You have to come on out.
Now it's still going. Go ahead. If this one falls, that's it. This is it. All right. The winner is one of.
No,
One of them.
No, it's still up there.
It is 6 o'clock. Until next time, we'll get a part 2. We'll get a part 2.
I
It's okay.
won.
It's okay.